How you guys doing? I have to get my camera back on. Today video is about these guys from Hyderabad, and they made some prototype DH bikes which are made in India. So we're gonna go check it out. Three of these guys' bikes are here. So this is their final prototype. I think so. So let's check it out. How's the build and all. So these guys who built them, one's Karthik and one, and I think Virendra also. So these two guys have just kept like improving the whole bike setup. This time when they came over with the first proto of I think the Enduro bike that had a little issue with the rocker arm that broke off. So then I think they took it back and they re-engineered it, and right now we'll check out how it is. Totally stoked to see like India making downhill bikes, as in performance race bikes, or downhill bikes and enduro bikes. Right. First, we should all pick up our bikes from abroad, as in they all made from different companies in abroad, and now we've been witnessing Indian bikes coming into the market, and the awesome part is these bikes will be sold here in India for a more reasonable price, hopefully, and it'll also be for the abroad market, as in the foreign market. So let's go ahead and check these bikes out. The weather update: it rained yesterday like crazy, and day before yesterday it did not rain, but before that it rained again crazy. So I think it gives like 1 day gap of rain, and then one day there's no rain, and the next day when it rains like intense, like the whole day it'll be raining. And because we're in tropical side of India, Pune city, so oh yeah, I almost forgot, like the brand name is Renegade, so it's an Indian brand, and really looking forward for their product line in the Indian market, plus again in the foreign market. And I have trust in this because they've been working on this for quite some time. So let's see. Hopefully I get my bike from them, a prototype obviously. So I'll be mostly testing one of the bikes. So there's another. So the 3 DH bikes are come right now for assembly at Bike Tech, but I love DH. I already have a DH bike. I have an enduro bike, but I will be betting on an enduro bike. So I think they're talking about making a bike in carbon, an enduro bike, which will suit my needs. So where I do all mountain kind of riding. I don't only do DH. I like to climb also now. I like to go for descents. So this prototype which he's talking about, he said it's going to be for the next batch, and yeah, let's see. Hopefully I get a bike, because the last time when I was with a really good bike is when I was racing with Giant, so the Asia Pacific Roosters. So now after I think it's been like 4 years or 5 years now, let's see, maybe if I find potential in this on that bike, I may sign with them and ride for Renegade for my whole venture about GT adventures. Not racing, but I'll try to pull some 1-2 races just for the heck of it, just for the fun. And the rest was going to be more of my what I do with my infrastructure company and etc. Back in the days, we never had these kind of bicycles. All you guys are so lucky, all your Gen Z right now and Gen Alpha, because in my time, the Gen Y, we never had this opportunity to have bikes like that. We should always like get second-hand bikes and all. Now, in this era, in 2026, now we're having bikes made in India. That's like another level altogether. Like, I'm so happy to be a part of this whole industry, and now witnessing to see bikes rolling out from India, made and designed in India and made in India. Like, plus, there are actually, forgot to mention, there was two companies which started off like this, like Cyanide Bikes. A dear friend of mine, Vinay, his company with Praveen Pravarkar. So actually, as an it's a co-found company, but eventually in the end, it did not take off how it's supposed to supposed to do. But eventually, life moves on, and then you have other players which also come into the market. So we also have Pashan Bikes, done by Abhijit. So he's been also working on these bikes. He's already sold like 1-2 bikes to which are race ready. So Renegade is also the bike which I'm looking forward, because I prefer a brand or a company to work on their bikes, as in work before giving it off. So the whole R&D is done, like Proto 1, Proto 2, Proto 3, Proto as a prototype bikes. So they get tested and all. So maybe I may be the one of the test pilots for this brand. Back in my days, again, trying to dream to own one of these bikes was really expensive, and plus really hard to source them. And now when we're getting to see it produced in India, just makes my mind just go like boom. Like, yes, at last we've come to that era to produce our own performance race bikes in India, and also see them race in top level races in India plus abroad. So especially if these bikes which they come out well and be showcased in Europe and the bike week and all that, it'll be a great thing. Gangsters.
Yo!
Full gang is here.
What it is?
So what's up? Say hi to the.
We'll write Penny Fast.
Say hi to the vlog. Why say hi to the vlog?
Oh, hey!
We're talking about your bike only.
Let's go!
Huh? Meta हो गया, like, oh my god, ये क्या है? Fuck, look at this bike, full on.
Yeah.
Look at that.
I didn't even know there was a green belt of it.
Up, Sachi, how are you doing, buddy?
I'm doing good. What's
Wait. $29. What is happening? Why is
We are
this
making engineering high-tech shit.
high-tech shit? Like, the colors also amazing. Right? Oh, you recording. Original one.
Nothing happened.
ये वाला प्रेशर
What am I, homosexual? No, I am atheist.
The shock was out.
I realized that immediately.
I mean, if it breaks like this, then it shall not use it. Like, don't keep stepping on it.
Okay. So Karthik, how do you feel about your bike?
About my bike, pretty excited.
So
No?
all these 3 bikes.
All three bikes. So pretty excited, bro. It's been a long time coming. Took a couple of years to get here at least. So excited, bro, to take it riding at least.
Absolutely.
So weird that the caliper and the brake system from Lewis and O'Neill, it does not, it's not compatible apparently. It's so weird because the Fox it works, but with this O'Neill and this really fancy brakes, like super brand series.
I want to just
Damn. So trying to figure out how we're gonna get those brakes all compatible with the fork.
DRO
DRO
जल्दी होना चाहिए बस भाई घर पे इंस्टेंट
हाथ मत डाल देना भाई
उसमें एक्चुअली जगह ही नहीं है
नहीं नहीं वो काटते रहा है वो। कितनी बार ये फिंगर्स
ये टायर ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है
इसका केसिंग
ये बहुत शायद काट
Bro, are we ready to see the bike itself? With my fat ass on it. Like that's what my confidence was beating. Come on, take photos with this.
First ride of the prototype, and that's Karthik's bike.
I'll start Vaishnav.
It sandal sal.
Sandals also are made in Pune, bro.
Look at that, the prototype full.
That sounded a little off.
नहीं ये नहीं
हाँ हाँ
this was हाँ
नहीं नहीं मैं दूसरे check कर
हाँ अभी इसको lock it now it'll work proper. What happened? They put off the lights also. क्या कैसे? हाँ ना. Put off the lights just for the fuck of it. Now try. Now it won't happen.
It feels tank, bro. Like it doesn't feel that big. It really doesn't feel that big. I can feel the height of it when trying to pull up the front.
What do we have here? We have Vinamanan shooting, doing what Vinamanan does the best. How are you doing? Good rider. This is the bike. Getting some really good shots of the new prototype race bike. Vinay is still busy doing something unusual with the lens. The made in India bikes.
Yeah, bro.
Where is made? Where is made? Tell me. Where is it made? Bharat.
Bharat.
Bharat. Maharashtra. Yeah, Maharashtra. Look at this. Acha, both of them have got the. Oof. What a neat looking bike. Fantastic. This is Viru's bike. His race bike. He's gonna whoop some ass. He's gonna go Asians again. Win. Look at this sweet looking fucking awesome TRT. So nice. His cockpit. Super stable.
Stable लग रहा है यार.
Very stable. But it's also too. मैं नहीं कर. Stable bike. Center of gravity. This bike rides well. Stability. ओ साइकिल वाले. Very nice, very good. I like the bicycle. Only a NASA bike tech. Indian, not Indian, but this bike is great. Made in India. Ew. Insane. So, yes, like, subscribe, and whatever, all of that stuff will be great, as I'm still trying to grow my channel, and this will help. Yeah, another video in the bag. Woo!